Hello and congratulations on your IHK badge. True to the motto, show what you have learned, we will embed it together in your LinkedIn profile today. In addition to LinkedIn, we also need the email with the details of your badge. Click on the Add to Profile button here. If you are not yet logged in to LinkedIn, log in with your access data. You can do this via the browser as well as via the app. Your profile will open and the Add Credentials or Certificates window will appear. Some fields such as name, the date of issue, the certificate ID, and the URL of the certificate are pre-filled. Now enter the issuer. If the provider has a LinkedIn profile, this will be suggested in the list. Finally, click on the Save button. Now, you can advertise yourself in particular and the training in general by sharing your badge with your network. To do this, click on the Next button. If you don't want to do this, you can also skip this step. Now we need the email with your certificate data again. Click on the link here to download your badge. Your browser will open with the badge graphic. Right-click on the graphic and download the image to your computer. Back to LinkedIn. Click on the pencil icon here to edit your post. Delete the suggested animation and select Add Photo instead. Switch to the folder in which you downloaded your badge graphic and then double-click on it to select it. Confirm this by clicking on the Next button. If you wish, you can also edit the text. Complete the post by clicking on the Post button. You've done it! Your badge is now stored in your profile and interested parties can check its authenticity via the corresponding link.